Hey everybody, it's good to get back with everyone here at the end of March. I can't believe that we are already through the first quarter of 2021. Time seems like it's just flying by. Definitely markets did very, very well for our first quarter. We ended March, a little mixture in the different indexes. The Dow Jones, which are kind of those stocks that really got hit hard during the pandemic, are bouncing back. They were up a little over 10%, where the technology stocks, the ones that had done really well, are still up, but just not quite as much, somewhere a little over 7%. So we're starting to see a bit of a rotation, which we thought would happen, where some of the stocks that got hit hard are doing well, and the stocks that did well are kind of paring back just a little bit. But still had a great first quarter, and we're actually looking forward to the second quarter doing maybe not quite as well, but still being a very positive second quarter for 2021. If you look at some of the earnings that have just came out recently, our top sector has been energy. And the energy sector, as everybody knows, especially if you're in California facing $5 a gallon gas prices, oil has been going higher. So energy companies have definitely been doing well, and that's been the best performing sector in 2021. You look at United Airlines, they just announced that 90% capacity was going to be reached probably within the next quarter or two. So they're looking to be back almost at full capacity by the end of 2021. Very good sign there. Second best performing sector was financials. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs just came out with their earnings, blowout earnings, looked fantastic. A lot of it came from trading, however, their earnings still looked fantastic. The energy and the financial sectors have both been doing very well, which those obviously got hit very hard last year. We're getting the question a lot. What do we think the market is going to do going forward? And we actually still think the market will continue to perform very well in the second half of 2021. It's not uncommon for there to be a lull during the summer, and we definitely think that that will take place. Simultaneously, there's a lot of cash. People have a ton of savings built up, and they're ready to spend. The retail numbers just came out today, and retail spending was up 10%, completely shattered expectations. So you can see that the consumers are pent up and they want to go out and spend. The other thing is a report from Louis Vuitton, basically high-end goods, same thing. They're seeing record number of people come into the stores and make purchases. So we really think the rest of 2021 will continue to be an upward trend. Maybe not as strong as the first half, but definitely we think it'll be strong. And we see that consumers are going to be out there continuing to spend. The last thing that I wanted to mention was that the tax deadline had been extended from April 15th to May 15th. That also extended your ability to make IRA and Roth contributions. So for some reason, if you haven't done that or you don't make them with us, I know we've called most of our clients, but if you make them at a different institution, you may want to take advantage of that you have an extra month to make your 2020 contributions all the way up to May 15th. We hope everybody's doing well, and if you have any questions about your account, please feel free to call us, and we look forward to seeing you next month. Thank you.